All right, Lady Ada, what is this?
We're in the club.
New York Artist Club is Desk Lady Ada.
Oscilloscopes, DACs, RP2350s. We've got it all. I'm playing some tunes actually from Dan.
Yeah.
Check out free MP3s for your download. This is great because it, obviously we're not going to get
SoundCloud.
Sound down.
Cloud.com/Adafruit.
Yeah.
Not AI generated, haters.
No, this is real music. Okay, so
Okay.
what I'm doing is I'm actually testing out this DAC. So we need, let me just turn this on. I mean, I'm sure it sounds great. We have a lot of boards that I want to do that have I2S digital output to play like MP3s or waves or whatever. And we don't have a lot of good I2S DACs in the shop. Like we had like one or two, but our offerings are kind of slim. And so like 2 or 3 years ago, JP was like, hey, we should have like the PCM5100 series. And I was like, oh yeah, I'll get to it. So this is a breakout for the PCM5102. What I like about this DAC, first off, inexpensive, high quality, doesn't require an M clock, so it's great for Raspberry Pi or microcontroller boards. Line level out, and we will be revisiting that issue because I want to do the driver for the DAC on the Fruit Jam, which is the DAC 30 TLV 320 DAC 3100, which has headphone out. This doesn't do headphone; it has a line level. So I'm actually playing music out of these little speakers. I turned it off, but it's a great way to just sort of test stereo. And then on the oscilloscope, I look at the waveforms, make sure they look right and clean. Hold on, I think the audio just
turn it on.
But it sounds really good, so I'm kind of happy because the layout for these DACs, it's always like you want to make sure you do a good job. But I don't hear like any static out of it. It feels really good. There's a filter on the output. And I think this is ready. So I'm going to make two versions, one with the 5102 and one with the 5100. They're like $1 difference. So it's like there is a price change. Yeah, it's okay. I know where it went. There's a price difference, and the quality is a little bit different. For some people, they might notice. So we'll have two versions of this breakout. I just have to test all the other like extra pins. These are like the standard I2S power and data pins, but these are the extras. I want to just check those out before I approve this for the shop.
Okay, cool.